All right, here we come to a second set of elevators in this hotel. I forgot the name of, but these are the same. But these are the elevators located on the other side, and these are Mitsubishi elevators. The same. I assume these are the same exact ones, like the other ones that I have filmed. We're gonna take this one right here. So anyway, oh, look at this. Oh, this cab is Oh, I thought it was a bit different than the other one, but anyways. Sorry I have to talk. Sorry I have to talk a lot because of the music. But these are quite fast for 3 floors. I love the view of the mountain. All right, let's get the other elevator car. Thankfully, there's not much music down here, so I wouldn't have to worry about loudly talking over it, causing a good amount of disruption. Oh, this one's a lot brighter. This one's a lot brighter. We'll take this one for a spin. This elevator car is so much brighter. I gotta check something. See, it's got the bumper, but look at this. It also has a sensor too. This is an interesting door sensor type. Wow, this one's so much brighter. I mean, way brighter than the other ones. And these are fast for 3 stories too. All right, let's end it at 2. Mirrored everything. All right, we're gonna go ahead and watch it close. So with that being said, there it goes, and that will be it.